If you're a homeowner in Gilbert, Arizona, you've likely noticed how your energy bills fluctuate with the seasons, soaring in the summer and dipping slightly in the winter. But what if one home improvement project could make a year-round difference in your utility costs? That's exactly what new, energy-efficient windows can do for you. Replacing outdated or poorly insulated windows with modern alternatives has become one of the most effective ways Gilbert residents can reduce energy consumption, enhance indoor comfort, and lower monthly expenses. Why windows matter more than you think. Many homeowners underestimate just how much windows contribute to overall energy efficiency. Old single-pane windows or those with deteriorating seals allow conditioned air to escape and hot, dry air from outside to seep in. This forces your HVAC system to work harder, using more energy and driving up your electricity bill. New energy-efficient windows are specifically engineered to reduce heat transfer. Features like dual or triple glazing, low-E coatings, which reflect infrared light, argon or krypton gas fills, and insulated frames create a strong barrier against outside temperatures. In Gilbert's desert climate, where air conditioning runs much of the year, these features aren't just nice to have, they're essential. Real energy savings for Gilbert homeowners. One of the most immediate and measurable benefits of installing new windows is the drop in monthly energy bills. According to regional energy efficiency estimates, homeowners in Gilbert can expect to save anywhere from 15% to 30% on their cooling and heating costs after upgrading to energy-efficient windows. That translates to hundreds of dollars saved each year, which adds up quickly. Let's say your current summer utility bill is $250 a month, a reasonable figure in Gilbert's triple-digit heat. With a 25% reduction, you could pocket an extra $60 plus each month during peak cooling season. Over the course of a year, you could save anywhere from $500 to $1,000, depending on the size of your home and the age of your old windows. Rebates, incentives, and long-term value. Arizona utilities and federal programs often offer rebates or incentives for homeowners making energy-efficient upgrades. In some cases, window replacements may qualify under these programs. Gilbert residents may also be eligible for tax credits under federal energy efficiency guidelines, helping offset the upfront cost of installation. Beyond the monthly savings and available incentives, new windows also add resale value to your home. Energy-efficient features are a top selling point for prospective buyers, particularly in a market like Gilbert, where energy costs and cooling performance are major considerations. Comfort beyond cost. While the financial savings are compelling, new windows also enhance the everyday livability of your home. Energy-efficient windows help maintain a more stable indoor temperature, meaning fewer hot spots, less reliance on blinds or blackout curtains, and more consistent comfort in every room. Additionally, modern window technology helps reduce outdoor noise, minimizes fading of furniture and flooring due to UV exposure, and can even improve indoor air quality by keeping dust and allergens outside where they belong. A smart investment for Gilbert homes. For Gilbert residents looking to make their homes more energy efficient, replacing old windows is one of the smartest upgrades available. Not only do new windows help lower energy bills, but they also improve comfort, increase home value, and reduce environmental impact. It's a practical investment that pays dividends both immediately and over time. If your windows are more than 15 to 20 years old or you've noticed drafts, high bills, or difficulty keeping your home cool, now may be the perfect time to consider window replacement. With the right windows and expert installation, your home can be a cooler, quieter, and more cost-effective space all year long.